In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email on Mailerlite. By the end, you'll be able to go from a blank account to a finished, scheduled email campaign with confidence. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the sidebar and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email broadcasts live. To start a new one, find and click the Create Campaign button. This opens up the basic setup for your email and begins the process of building your message. Next, you'll start designing your email. Mailerlite will ask you to choose your campaign type. For most people, a regular campaign is perfect, but you may also see options like A/B split or RSS if you're doing more advanced work. After that, choose the editor you want to use. The drag and drop editor is usually the easiest, especially if you're not comfortable with code. You can also pick rich text for a more minimal text-based email or custom HTML if you have a design you've coded yourself. If you're using the drag and drop editor, you'll see content blocks you can add to your email, such as text, images, buttons, and social media links. Simply drag these blocks into your layout and customize them on the right side. You can also start from a template if you want a pre-designed layout. Once the structure feels right, add your actual email copy and adjust the design to match your brand, colors, fonts, and spacing. Now it's time to set up the campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name so you can recognize it later. Then, write the subject line that your subscribers will see in their inbox. Add your sender name and email address, making sure it's something your audience will recognize and trust. You can also add a pre-header, which is the short preview text that appears next to the subject line in most email clients. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting one or more groups or segments from your contact list. Before you send anything, always preview and test. Click the Preview and Test option and send a test email to yourself. Open it on both desktop and mobile if you can, and make sure links, images, and formatting look correct. Once you're happy, click Done Editing. Review all the final details, and then choose whether to send right away or schedule for a specific date and time. If available on your plan, you can also use time zone-based sending to deliver emails at the best local time for each subscriber.